Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to use Harpa AI. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. What is Harpa AI? Harpa AI is a customizable Chrome extension and AI-powered ChatGPT assistant that saves time and money by automating tasks on the web. It provides AI answers to search queries, summarizes web pages, extracts structural data, tracks product prices and stock availability, monitors articles and legislations, detects changes in competitor sites, and more. Harpa AI uses a hybrid AI engine built on top of ChatGPT and its own machine learning to perform these web automation tasks. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. It is trained to generate human like text based on a given prompt or context. It can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, question answering, and text generation. Now, how does Harpa works? Once installed as a Chrome extension in the browser, Harpa AI turns web pages into text via machine learning and runs them through ChatGPT to answer your questions. Web and price monitoring automation tasks run in the background on your machine and do not go through the ChatGPT system. Now let's go to our Harpa AI website. So once we are there, you can see this as our interface. And we are going to click Add to Chrome because we are going to need to add this as an extension to Chrome for us to be able to use Harpa AI. And you are just going to click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. So once we've already installed the extension, we are going to go ahead and click Alt plus A buttons or keys in our keyboard. So the Harpa AI will just pop up once you click those buttons. In this video, we are going to try to outrank an article using the SEO article. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to go to a blog post or a website, any article that we are going to use. So we are going to try to go to this website. So at the bottom right corner of our Harpa AI, we are going to click on the tools commands. So as you can see, the slash and the three dots there, that is the tools commands. So just click that. And we are going to look for outranked SEO article. If you can't find it, you can just type it in the box. So type outrank and then click on outrank SEO article. So this is a competition with an in-depth SEO optimized article. So navigate to the web page with an article to outrank, then run this command. So after that, you are just going to click enter right away. You're not going to write anything. And as you can see, it's already starting to generate. So our topic is how to make money on TikTok in 2023. So there are 12 tactics, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to give 12 ways on how you're going to earn money on TikTok. So it's going to generate more. And so let's just wait until it stops. If it stops generating, all you need to do is just type the word continue in the text box and click enter. So it's going to continue generating. Right, so there, it already generated an article that we can use. However, if you've noticed, it's just really copying what's in the article, and we want to stay away from that to avoid plagiarism. So we are going to generate an article in each section. So for us to do that is we are going to click on the tools command and then look for copywriting. Now, under copywriting, you have different prompts that you can use. So you have an article outline markdown. So it generates a content outline for your article. You also have article outline MACE. It generates a content outline for your article following MACE framework. You have their blog post from topic, so you can create a capacious blog post from the given topic. So we are going to choose the prompt article outline MACE, and we are just going to copy the title of our article and paste it in the text box and just click enter. And it's going to start generating. All right. So there we can already make an article out of this, but we want to make a long article. So we are going to try to divide them into sections, and we are going to see if we can generate more ideas or more words or topics that we can add in our article. So we are going to go to tools, commands again, and we are going to again look for copywriting. And this time we are going to click the prompt article section. Let's read the instruction. So please copy paste below a single section of the article outline. You can generate an article outline using article outline command. So let's go to the first section of our article. So we're going to use the article that we've outlined earlier. So just copy and paste it in the box. Okay, now it's generating. So there are topics that are not related to our introduction. So we are going to try to just copy the word introduction and paste it in our text box. And let's see if it's going to give the topic that we're asking. All right, so there it's already generating. And there we already have the introduction that we want. Now I'm just going to try to copy paste every section in this article. And let's see if we can create a long article. All right, so now we are going to try to put it in our Word document, and we'll see the article that we've generated. So just copy paste it in our document. And there you have it. We've created an article in less than 10 minutes. Imagine that. You can create a long, a good, high quality article just using Harpa. And that's it for this video. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.